And you please allow me to share my screen, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I am sharing my screen. Yeah. So good morning, friends. Suprabhat, Namaskar, and Subhoday. I hope everybody is fine. Channagide kara. I started my journey with DXN in 2001. My dear friends, it's a God's given opportunity to share my feelings with you, to share my experience with you, to share my emotion with you in this pleasant morning. My dear friends, in our life, everybody is having a very big question mark in all their lives. So which way those question marks, our expectations are more, and but when it come to reality, so let us see. Always, even me, I have a very big question mark before starting DXN. So my expectation is, I expect always to be my wallet to be full of money, full of currency. But when it come to reality, my wallet is always within 3-4 days after receiving my salary, I used to spend every month, and again used to wait for the salary. Even survey also says that most of the people in India are employees. Whenever they receive salary, after receiving their salary within 2-3 days, that will be fulfilled to all their expenses, and again they wait for the month end only. So we expect always to have very big money in our wallet, but reality is that wallet is vacant. And always we expect to stay in a own house. So it's our desire, it's our dream to stay in our own house, but reality is we are most of the people are staying in a rented house. And our expectation is, if you have children, definitely you think that you will have a desire to provide better education in corporate schools. Even nowadays people are reserving their children's seats in advance by paying so many lakhs of money. But whereas in reality, most of the people are compromising with the general schools with low facilities. And in general, to our spouse or children, we expect that to have more jewelry. Definitely jewelry is an asset. Whenever we need even money, we can borrow money by keeping this gold in the bank without any security, anybody's security. So our expectation is to have more gold, whereas so we are compromising with very less gold. Even here I mentioned very little gold. So many people are nowadays not having even this much of gold also. This is the reality, my dear friends. And moreover, we deserve to travel in four-wheeler. Always we expect to travel in four-wheeler. We dream to travel with family. But whereas when it comes to reality, two-wheeler. So even some people, even they don't have this two-wheeler also, they are traveling in public transport. And always we think that to have a pension plan after retirement, to have very good pension money to lead our life comfortably. When it comes to reality, always we lead pension life. Pension plan only we have, not pension. So this is the reality, my dear friends. For most of the people in the world, the same thing. Even I do have this situation before joining DXN. So our intention is to make this present reality into expectation, to make our present reality into to fulfill our dreams. So that's what our intention of conducting this Zoom meetings. And moreover, my dear friends, one more important thing is, always in our life, we expect to stay healthy life. So we want to live more long life. A long life, how come it possible without any disease or without any problem? So without disease we want to live more, without disease we want to lead our life comfortably without any health problems. We want to say no to hospital and no to drugs, whereas the reality is our life is full of tablets, capsules, injections, doctor visits, tests like this. So this is the reality. We are not having health to lead our life. So many people are having crores of money, but they don't have health to enjoy their wealth. This is the reality, my dear friends. So if you want to make this reality into expectation, any solution, my dear friends, Yes, very good solution is there. That is only through network marketing. So network marketing, everybody is hearing. Even I also heard this word. But when I heard this word, always people say like this, oh, it's network marketing, I know. It's a scheme, it's a scam, it's a pyramid. So everybody will try to discourage you in so many ways. My dear friends, I want to tell you one thing. I want to share you one story with you, one small story. Five blind people are there. So they visited a zoo, and they can't see the elephant, but they feel the elephant. So after going to the home, they shared their feeling with their friends. Oh friends, today we went to zoo, we have seen the elephant. Then, oh, you have seen the elephant. So you tell me, how is the elephant? One of the blind person told, elephant, it's like a rope, and somebody told it's like a wall, somebody told like it's like a fan, somebody it's like a tree, and somebody told it's like a snake and it's like a spear. My dear friends, is it real? It's not real. They are blind people, they can't see. They only felt through touch. That's the reason they are telling that different things. Like this, people who comment negative on the network marketing company, they didn't feel the network marketing, they didn't involve. So that's the reason so many people in so many ways they tell negative about network marketing. My dear friends, now I can say great people on network marketing in the world, not you or me or your friends or my friends. Let us see top people in the world. Warren Buffett is having the best investment I ever made. Warren Buffett owns 51 business companies, and among those 51 companies, is a very big investor. Three of the companies are from MLM only. He invested in MLM. Do you think that Warren Buffett is a fool to invest in network marketing company? No, he's an intelligent person. And Bill Gates, if I would be given a chance to start his career again, he want to start as a networker. Is he a fool to start his start his career as a networker? No. See, they seen the potentiality of network marketing company. And some more, Donald Trump, talk of the world now. US President Trump owns a network marketing company named the Trump Network. Before he become president, he's having an Ideal Health company, and he owned that company, has become the director of that company. Later, that name changed into the Trump Network. So, do you think American citizens are fools to elect such a person? No. So Donald Trump invested his money in the Trump Network. So all these people are having very good vision about network marketing company, and Bill Clinton says that. So network marketing company industry, it promotes very good wealth to all the people. That's the reason government unable to provide job security. So you better to choose network marketing companies. Bill Clinton says all these top world leaders, they're saying about the network company, the greatness of network marketing company. And not only in the world, in our India, our central minister, network marketing is the future business in India. This is the 21st century business, and this will give the revenue of 9,000 crores to Indian government till 2025. See, our Indian government is expecting 9,000 crores from network marketing industry. This is the focus of our company, our India. They are forecasting. And nowadays, even so many universities, they're having the network marketing subject in their universities for their students. My dear friends, future is only network marketing company. It is for only networking industry. So we get very big income only through network. Not only big income, we get secured income. So that's the reason always focus on network marketing industry. And in the network marketing industry, why only DXN? DXN is a passion. DXN is a emotion. We emotionally attach it with DXN. I don't have much time to express about DXN, but I share my testimonial, my dear friends. I joined with DXN in 2001. In 2001, I joined with DXN. I also started like this with so many question marks. So I also having the dreams, so many dreams. So my dear friends, I completed my graduation. Actually, I want to become a doctor by profession, but because of my financial position, unable to study MBBS. I finished my graduation in BSc. After that, I joined as a medical rep. After that, I promoted as a area sales manager in pharmaceutical industry. Total, I'm having 8 years of experience. But coming to the my profession, it's insecure. Always lot of pressure. There is no job security. So always very big question mark. There is no sufficient money. My dear friends, at that time, I have taken a serious decision of joining with DXN because I have seen DXN as my in my vision. I thought that DXN is going to fulfill my dreams. Why? Because I have seen the product of DXN, I have seen the marketing plan of DXN, I have seen the stability of DXN, I have seen the visionary statement of our founder, Dr. Limso Jen. So after getting confidence on this DXN, I started my journey in 2001, my dear friends. So after starting DXN, there is no look back. There is no look back. Lot of things I achieved in DXN. So many things. So income point of view, step by step status, starting from star agent, star ruby, star diamond, senior star diamond, executive senior star diamond, double diamond, triple diamond. Now I am in triple diamond position. Position wise, only promotion, no demotion in DXN. Income point of view, I am very much happy. I am getting solid income through DXN. Health point of view, my dear friends, I told you no. I shown everybody want to be healthy. Everybody don't want to use tablets and capsules in their life. In these 20 years of time, I did not go to hospital. I did not get any health problem. I am very much healthy. I am proud to say. So I am getting health as well as wealth point of view, my dear friends. I started my life with bicycle. After that, two-wheeler. After that, my dream is to have four-wheeler. I am very much proud to say that I am having four-wheeler, i10 Grand Sports version. Since 5 years, I've been riding on my four-wheeler. And my dear friends, in our dreams, I mentioned about to have own house. I also, like you, started my life in a small room. After getting married, I shifted my house into a rented small portion. Later, a little bit big portion, but it's a rented house. My dear friends, it's my great privilege to share my achievement with you. Since 6 years, I've been staying in my own house. Now I am talking from my top floor of my house. So this for entertainment purpose. So for recreation purpose, I kept this fourth floor. I am talking from my top floor. This open rooftop garden also will be there. This is located at, you might be knowing, Visakhapatnam Cricket Stadium. So opposite to Cricket Stadium, I am very much proud to say I am having my own house, my dear friends. My dear friends, I am the proud owner of Manna Herbal Solutions. It's a service center of DXN in Visakhapatnam. Up to now, already my shop, it is in rented building. Since so many years, it's a commercial building. You know very well, commercial buildings rents are very high. So thereby, I used to run my Manna Herbal Solutions as a proprietor. I used to run Manna Herbal Solutions in rented building. Now, my dear friends, within 1 week, I'm going to shift my office to my own building. So no rentals. I am the proud owner of my DXN Manna Herbal, that commercial building, commercial flat. Jewelry, I'm having more jewelry. Moreover, apart from all these friends, recognition. How will you get recognition? Earlier, people did not recognize me. Nowadays, everywhere people, especially in DXN, whenever we company meetings conducted, they used to recognize me. They used to call me onto the stage. So many rallies I participated. So many workshops I participated. Apart from all these things, my dear friends, we are having some other dreams also. Like, for example, while I am studying 10th class, so excursion in the students, they used to take to the excursion like a Hyderabad, some zoos like that. They show these historical places. In that process, I have seen airport from long distance. I have seen. So I felt it. I did not feel it. And I thought in my dreams, I never thought that in my life I I'll be boarding the aeroplane. My dear friends, through DXN, I fulfilled my dream of boarding the aeroplane. Not only boarding, I went to abroad. So Malaysia, our great farmland. I visited Malaysia 3 times. I am very much proud to say. 2 times personally I gone, and third time along with my family without any spending any single rupee, free of cost, by achieving the targets in DXN. It's a great privilege to visit our farmlands in DXN in Malaysia 3 times, my dear friends. Not only Malaysia, I went to Gulf countries and their international workshops I participated free of cost. So, and moreover, you can see last previous newsletter. In that newsletter, you can see wife and husband photograph. So that it is in the history of DXN library, all the newsletters. So it's a proud privilege to have our image in that newsletter, to get this space in the DXN newsletter. My dear friends, these are all the things I can able to fulfill my dreams through DXN. Why? Because DXN is a very good company, very strong company, financially debt-free company. We are lucky to have our founder, Dr. Dr. Limsojan, is having very good vision of making the people healthy as well as healthy. So, my dear friends, now he started DXN in '93 in single country. At that time, like me or like you, he actually with great vision, with great dream, he started. People like that elephant, blind people who commented that elephant, like that. So many people, they did not come with Dr. Lim Sojan. So many people, he conducted one meeting. So half of the meeting, when he had given tea break, half of the people gone, and rest of the half of the people end of the meeting not supported his vision. So very with a couple of people he started. Now you can see DXN is in more than 290 countries. DXN changed the lifestyles of some crores of people, health point of view, wealth point of view, like me, so many people are there. My dear friends, I can challenge you. Since 20 years almost, I am with DXN. No other income. I am getting income only through DXN. I taken DXN as my career, as a full-time career. I am very much happy. Health point of view, I am enjoying. Wealth point of view, I am enjoying very much, and I am leading my life very happily. You can see so many companies. So many companies are coming. So many companies are vanishing. So many people are with me who started DXN as a career. They in between, they left DXN, and they keep on changing the companies. My dear friends, one saying is there, no, rolling stone gathers no mass. They keep on rolling, but they are not at all gathering anything. They nowadays, after seeing me, they are feeling very proud, because since 19 years I have been only with DXN. I am leading satisfactory life with DXN, comfortable life with the DXN, emotionally attached with DXN. Not only me, through me, I am very much happy to say so many people are, I shared this information with so many thousands of people. So people who got health through DXN, always they bless me. It's not a scheme, it's not a scam, it's not a money circulation. Whatever the single rupee we get through DXN, it's a blessed money. It's not a cursed money. My dear friends, nowadays you can see, earlier also crisis all over the world, financial crisis, so one or two times has come, and nowadays corona situation is there in the world. So my dear friends, so your status, your assets, your property, everything, nothing will be useful nowadays. There is no guarantee anything, for anything, no security for anything. Nowadays, whatever we are saying since 2001, to prevent the problems or to get health, and to have the nutrition and to improve immunity regarding toxins and all, we have been telling since 2001. People, for positive things people will not attract, but for negative things people attract more. My dear friends, now need of the hour, need of the minute, everybody is saying take more nutrition, and improve your immunity to face coronavirus. So there is no guarantee for life if you don't have immunity. So my dear friends, I am very much proud to say that DXN is providing very good nutrition and very good immunity power. With this, our health condition will be fulfilled. And not only health, in this insecure situation, I am asking you only one question. Whenever crisis comes, people are losing their jobs. People are actually, so many businesses are shutting down all over the world. So much of unemployment. So many people are not having food to eat. In that particular situation, even in lockdown period, also I am questioning my dear friends. Only everything is locked down. Everything industries are locked down, and everybody people are in their house only with their families. But still, I ask you one thing: did the people stop taking coffee? Did the people stop taking tea? Did the people stop brushing their teeth? Did the people stop washing their body or bathing and washing their hair? Nothing. So all these things cannot be stopped, my dear friends. That's the reason DXN is having fast moving consumer goods and unique with unique benefits, with unique features. So once if anybody starts DXN products, he can't stop. Why I am telling now, my dear friends, it is unique to having unique benefits compared to market products. Thereby they can't stop the product. If they cannot stop the product, they have to continue. If they continue, volumes will be improved. If volumes improved means ultimately our income source also will be improved and security will come. So like this, my dear friends, we are getting health as well as wealth and happiness also through DXN. So we are like this. So many success people are there. We are the live testimonials. We don't have any testimonies. So we have so many doubts whether this product will work or not, whether I am going to be successful or not. Nowadays, my dear friends, you are very much lucky to have. We used to attend meetings by spending so much of money. We used to attend, we used to get the knowledge by spending so much of money to purchase the literature. Now, my dear friends, sitting in your house through Zoom meeting, so you are listening to the so many successful people of DXN, so many wealth testimonies, so many health testimonies. So what else you want, my dear friends? It's a wonderful opportunity, wonderful opportunity. This is the right time to involve. And moreover, as Indians, we are very much blessed. And as I am from Andhra and Telangana, I am very much blessed. Why? Because company is focusing at Telangana. Company already owned 100 acres of farmland in Telangana. If there is no corona means by this June itself, they would have started their production. Officially, they are going to open their units, launching their units by December 6th. Already Muhurtam shot is there on December 6th. But my dear friends, international focus, they invested 500 crores of money in Telangana. In future, we are going to have more number of products. More number of products means more volume. More volume means more income. Only thing is that by that time, DXN is growing, company is growing, your leaders are growing, I am growing. Whether you want to grow or not, purely that is in your hands. If you involve positively, if you establish your team, if you establish the base, whenever the company comes to Telangana and whenever they introduce number of products, you will take off very easily, and your income will be hiked very easily, and you get secured income. People who start DXN products, they will not stop at all. So here the secret is nothing but power of duplication. If you give any DXN product to anybody, he will continue lifetime. If you give paste for oral health, definitely he will feel the product and he will continue. Not only continuing, he will recommend to his friends and relatives. Thereby consumption will be duplicated. So here secret is nothing but everything. Key to success is nothing but duplication. My dear friends, join with DXN, join hands with DXN, and consume the DXN products, get good health, and share the feeling to your members, and Repeat the same thing and duplicate the same thing. There is no other secret. Even you are a qualified person or not, even you are a educated or not, you are a wealthy person or you are a poor person, immaterial, you are a male or female or nation, nothing matters. Nothing matters. System will take care. System will take care. Everybody is here to support you. Everybody is here to make your life successful. We are together. Power of synergism is here. Power of synergism. So if you have 1 rupee, if you have 1 rupee, if we share, exchange, both are having 1 rupee only. I am having idea, you are having idea, both are sharing ideas, means we are having 2 ideas each. Now in the Zoom meeting, I suppose some 29 people are there. Every day we are sharing the testimonies all over the world. So we are sharing our experience. It's a great advantage to you. Without spending anything, sitting in your house through Zoom meeting technology. Through technology, we are able to utilize the things. Nowadays, things have become very easy, very easy. You are very much lucky to be in DXN. You are very much lucky to be associated with DXN. My dear friends, I shared my testimonial. I am very much successful. DXN is growing. If you want to take growth in DXN, if you want to take part in DXN, if you want to make your life fulfill in DXN, if you want to make your life healthy in DXN, if you want to make your life wealthy in DXN, if you want to make all your life happy, if you want to lead your life with happiness in DXN, join hands with DXN and fulfill your dreams with emotion, with hard work. There is no, don't look left, don't look right, look straight. Definitely put your best. DXN will take care of the rest. Thank you, my dear friends, giving me this opportunity, and thank you, and I wish you all very good success in future. Thank you. Over to Rajendra.